don't show it to me. And si Jerome, that one, don't show it to me. Don't show it to me. And John Mark, don't show it to me. Alright? So now, I'm going inside your minds. Right now. Papasok ko sa mga mami na sa information, no? Going inside your mind. John Mark.
What are you doing?
Jerome, and Maricar, open your hand. You have the red ball. Open your hand. You have the red ball. Thank you. Maraming salamat. John Mark, Jerome. Jerome, open your hand. You have the blue ball. Open your hand. You have the blue ball. Maraming salamat. Thank you. And Jerome, you have the red ball. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Sabi ko ulit. Ito gawin natin. Ito gawin natin. Sino yung pinakamayaman? Sino yung pinaka-close? John Mark, ito gawin natin. Sino yung ulit? Ang ganito gawin natin. I have here my cousin. Can you please type in the years that you were born? Kung kailan ka pinaka? 1967? Sorry, sir. 87, keep times natin. Sir, times natin. Magkano ang cash mo kayo siya? Magkano yung cash na dalawang cash? Yung totoo, yung cash, magkano? Magkano, roughly? Roughly. Since zero, sir? ATM na lang, magkano naman na ATM? O Gcash, Gcash. Ayos natin. Ayos na siya. Magkano siya? Yung may 1-0 ako ha.
Naka-live ka? Ay, naka-call ka?
Yung mother ko tinawagan.
Pinapatanong.
Tinatanong ko na.
Huwag natin papakita. Type in your Gcash account number. Dami pera nito. 3 times, 3 times. Sir, are you driving? Driving? Ito drive ka? Have your driver's license with you? Ano po? Can you type in your driver's license number? Pagka-type. Sige po. Can you have your ano po? Driver's license. Kayo po yung wife? Sure po kayo? Eh, charot po. Can we type your number? Huwag kayong letters ha? Yes, number lang. And hit divide. Mami, what is your address? Yung number lang ng bahay, Can you type in 1214? 10 equals. And the number that we have generated is, what's the number, sir? Mami, sir? 3,545,000,43,545,043,770. That is the number that was generated. From there, random numbers, tara mo? Random numbers, multiplication and division equals, diba? May even time is random people as well, tama po? Now, Mami, ibinigay ako sa yung papel kanina. Sabi ko, prediction ko yan. Prediction ko. What if this will match the numbers here? Will that be amazing? Mami, can you please copy the numbers? The numbers are 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 0, 4, 3, 7, 7, 0. Maraming salamat po. The number is 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 0, 4, 3, 7, 7, 0. Maraming salamat po, everybody. Thank you. At yung mami, pakikita mo sa kanila. Alam niyo po ba, mami, that this number is very important to our birthday girl? Alam niyo po bakit? Ay, balik ka rin ngayon to. This number is very important to you, mami. Bakit po? Balik ka rin po, mami, and everybody. Let's see and find out what can you read here is Alena Sky. Maraming salamat po. It's Alena Sky. Thank you so much, Sky. And that's it, my That's for my magic show. My name is Amazing Condy. I am from the Magician Foundation Incorporated. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. And thank you so much.